What's up guys, welcome to Top Dog Marketing Team. In this video I'm going to show you my results with the 4% group, then I'm going to give you an overview, so stay tuned. Okay guys, this is going to be a quick video. I'm going to show you my results with 4%, then give you an overview. Now, after following their steps and implementing the training, I made $180 residual income. So to get started, all you have to do is follow the 7 steps that are presented to you in the training course when you click here. Now, this will help you get set up and have your business running. It's very simple. All you have to do is follow instructions and take action. Now, you will get the 7 steps as a free member, including the heartbeat of the 4% group, which is the Operation 100K. Now, guys, take advantage of this opportunity because he is giving away a $3,000 product for free. And he is going to show you how to reach $100,000 in just 90 days if you implement everything he is teaching you. Well, that's about it, guys. This is a great opportunity for you to start seeing results even if you've been struggling for years online or you are a newbie. Now, thanks to the system and the 7 steps, I was able to generate $180 residual income. So it does work and I recommend it for everyone. Now, you can create your free account today and get started by clicking the link below in the description box. And I'll see you in the next video. Yeah.